Hello everyone, welcome to From Philippines to Romania. Are you a Filipino with a Romanian partner? And are you planning to get married in the Philippines? If your answer is yes, then this video is definitely for you. So, keep on watching! In today's video, I'm going to share with you everything that I know regarding this topic. But this will be based, of course, on my own experience. At first, we want to get married in the Romanian embassy in Manila. So I inquired. But you can get married in the Romanian embassy in Manila only if the Romanian national resides in the Philippines and has a resident card issued by the Philippine authorities. So yung husband ko, he doesn't fit. So unfortunately, hindi pwede. So, we go with the last option, which is the civil wedding. So, ito po ang mga requirements sa civil wedding sa Pinas noong year 2017, kasi 2017 kami kinasal. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-requirement sa civil wedding. Una, kailangan nyo ng marriage license. And then, kailangan nyo ng magkakasal sa inyo, either judge, ministry, or any other person authorized by the Philippine government to perform the marriage. Then, kailangan nyo ng 2 witnesses present at your wedding in order to witness and sign the certificate of marriage. So, ang marriage license, nakukuha siya sa local civil registrar kung saan ka nakatira. At 10 working days naman bago ito ma-release. At ito ay valid naman ng 120 days na pwede mong magamit kahit saan mo pa gustong ikasal basta within the Philippines lang. So, ano naman ang requirements para makakuha ng marriage license? So, ito naman po ang mga requirements para makakuha ng marriage license. 2 pieces, 1 by 1 photo ng inyong dalawa. Need po muna ninyong mag-attend ng pre-marriage orientation and counseling para makakuha ng certificate na kailangan para sa application ng marriage license. Bukod pa dyan, meron pang mga additional requirements. So, unahin muna natin para sa Filipino citizen. So, kailangan mo ng PSA birth certificate, Senomar, or the Certificate of No Marriage, valid ID, barangay certificate at cedula. Para naman sa Romanian citizen, kailangan niya ng Certificate of Legal Capacity to Marry na makukuha naman sa kanilang embassy. If previously married, kailangan niya ng Certificate of Divorce or death certificate kung patay naman na yung partner niya. Kailangan niya rin ng birth certificate, valid ID, and passport. Take note pala dun sa mga certificate na ipoprovide ni Romanian citizen, kailangan nakatranslate ito sa English. So, para naman sa Certificate of Legal Capacity to Marry, ito ay nakukuha sa Romanian Embassy sa Manila. So, ang requirements para sa Filipino citizen is a valid passport. Para naman sa Romanian citizen, kailangan niya ng Romanian identity card or yung bulletin nila, proof that he is not married, and if previously married, kailangan niya ng Certificate of Divorce or death certificate kung patay na ang kanyang asawa. And kailangan niyo mag-set ng appointment para kumuha ng Certificate of Legal Capacity to Marry sa Romanian Embassy, and kailangan ng personal appearance ninyong dalawa. Go to their website at manila.may.ro for the updated list of requirements. At once na makuha na ninyo ang Certificate of Legal Capacity at nakompleto na ang iba pang requirements para sa application ng marriage license, pwede na kayong pumunta sa local registrar para ipasa ang lahat ng requirements at magbayad ng fees, at pagkatapos nun ay mag-aantay lamang ng 10 working days para ma-release na yung inyong marriage license. And once na ma-release na ang inyong marriage license, pwede na kayong magpakasal. Then, hanap na kayo ng mag-o-officiate ng inyong marriage. Pwedeng judge or si mayor. Pwede rin namang pastor. Make sure lang na kung sino man yung makukuha nyo is meron siyang lisensya para magkasal, para maging valid yung marriage nyo. Then, kailangan nyo ng 2 witnesses. Tapos, good to go na. Pwede na kayo magpakasal anytime, anywhere sa Pilipinas. Then, after ng kasal nyo, and okay na, nakuha nyo na yung marriage certificate, ipa-endorse nyo na agad para makakuha kayo kaagad ng PSA marriage certificate, kasi need nyo rin ipa-register yung marriage nyo sa Romanian Embassy para makakuha naman kayo ng Romanian marriage certificate. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!